You guys, let's make delicious bread recipe. Add the milk over here, add the egg, add the yeast, sugar, mix together. Add the flour, add the salt.
Wearing that chef's crown. Lady B, we hail you high. In your kitchen, dreams can fly. Yummy
At this
meals
point, you can
that
add some
tell a
butter, then
tale.
mix that together.
In Lady B's kitchen, hearts prevail. Facebook buzzes, screens alight. Watching her cook is pure delight. Authentic flavors in full bloom. Her kitchen is a cheers-filled room. Lady B, we hail you high.
Mix your
In your
own with
kitchen,
butter.
dreams can fly.
So adding the dough,
Yummy
over here.
meals that tell a tale. In Lady B's kitchen, hearts prevail. Phone spot buzzes, screens alight.
Cover the dough for 30 minutes.
Flavors in full bloom. Her kitchen is a cheers-filled room. Lady B, we hail you high. In your kitchen, dreams can fly. Yummy meals that tell a tale. In Lady B's kitchen, hearts prevail. Spicy pots to sweet treats. Every dish is a special feat. Oh, wow, wow, the flavors blend. Culinary magic without end. Lady B
Add the
kitchen
egg
lights
over
up the air. Flavors dancing, nothing is
So now
fair.
you place the dough around like this.
Every bite, cooking magic every night.
At this point, you have it.
Dishes seasoned.
Just take it to the oven to bake for 40 minutes.
She's the talk of every town, wearing that chef's crown. Lady B, we hail you high. In your kitchen, dreams can fly. Yummy meals that tell a tale. In Lady B's kitchen, hearts prevail. Facebook buzzes, screens alight. Watching her cook is pure delight. Authentic flavors in full bloom. Her kitchen is a cheers-filled room. Lady B, we hail you high. In your kitchen, dreams can fly. Yummy meals that tell a tale. In Lady B's kitchen, hearts prevail. Phone spot buzzes, screens alight. Watching her cook is pure delight. Authentic flavors in full bloom. Her kitchen is a cheers-filled room. Lady B, we hail you high. In your kitchen, dreams can fly. Yummy meals that tell a tale. In Lady B's kitchen, hearts prevail. Spicy pots to sweet treats. Every dish is a special feat. Oh, wow, wow, the flavors blend. Culinary magic without end. Lady B kitchen, lights